What's going on? It's Chelsea Silverman. I'm here at Juiceteria in the beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. And I am so excited to show you how to make an unsweetened applesauce fresh from scratch, just from apples that you could pick from a tree. So I have here about 2.5 apples that I chopped up already. I took the seeds out because we don't want to eat the seeds. They're toxic to us. Even when you're juicing an apple, you don't want the seeds in there because it will be toxic to you. So we'll simply go ahead and put these 2.5 apples into our Vitamix. With the skin, I'm only choosing to leave the skin because of the nutrient factor, and I'm like a nutrient girl, so I want all of that. If you don't want the skin to show up in your sauce, then you simply de-skin it. But let's see how this comes out. It's a workout. Now to leave it a little apple saucy, I'm not going to blend it too much so it's not too liquidy. But that looks great. Let me grab a bowl. Boop. There I am. Okay, perfect. And we'll put this into a nice bowl. Oh, this is such fresh applesauce. Your children will love it. The babies will love it. You will love it. Look how great that looks. And you can top it with some cinnamon, maybe a little nutmeg, or goji berries. Whatever floats your boat and whatever your flavors go for, put it on top and just eat it and enjoy. All this soluble fiber, these apples provide you with the best nutrients and energy. So enjoy.